Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Gemini. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation. So let's start with the general energies, Gemini. So we have Nine of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and the Moon. So in your situation, Gemini, today, maybe for some of you, you are happy, you have contentment today, happy how things are going, but maybe it may not be true happiness, guys. Maybe it may be an illusion or a dream that you are living today, or maybe it may be your fantasy. So for some of you, maybe you are assuming certain things about this love or about this person, and you are thinking that they have true love on you. But you need to be really careful, guys, with them, because they are not thinking of you the same way. So what they have towards you, it may not be love, Gemini. So they may have someone interesting them, but you have that trust and you believe that they love you, but it may just be your illusion, guys. So this love may be for some of you your illusion or your fantasy. So you have to be really careful if you feel that you don't know the truth about this person, guys. So that is what I see. So maybe for some of you, you may head towards a breakup or a separation because this person is not with you for love. That is what I see with these cards. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Message in a bottle. Such a beautiful card, and it is a positive card, guys. So maybe for some of you, if you are in a particular situation where you do not have that clarity, maybe this person may be interested in someone else. So some kind of stress or sadness you may experience today, but there is some important communication coming in your situation. It may be through email, letters, or you may be seeing signs or some kind of intuition. So some positive news may be coming towards you guys today, Gemini. So what is the card for your career situation? Blessed. So this card just means that you have to have that gratitude, thankfulness for how your situation is, guys. Maybe in your career you are successful, tasting success, having peace of mind and happiness. So you just have to have that gratitude towards the universe or God or that higher power, whatever you call it. So simply being happy however things are. Maybe for some of you, you may even have troubles, but we are when we feel that gratitude in our situation, no matter what, we are inviting more positive things in our life, guys. So we may see troubles or we may see happiness in our career, but we need to be thankful for everything that we are receiving from that higher power today, guys. So that is the reading for your Gemini. I hope you like the reading. If you like to watch the pick a card love reading, please stay tuned. That is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whatever your situation is, you can think about it in your mind, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then choose the card that comes to you first, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So what do we have here? Petalite. So this is the oracle card for you all, for your situation, guys. It may be something in your career or personal life, in this relationship. So this card just means that you have to be a witness today. Observe your situation from a distance. Maybe when we are too close to our situation, we are emotional and we may not see, we may not be able to analyze the details and motives for that, what is making that other person behave in such a way and what is triggering them today. And we may not have that clarity because we are too close to that person or too close to our situation. So we need to step back if you want a clear vision, that clarity in your circumstance. If you are a witness, if you become a witness today, you will simply see things more clearly and you will know what is the right action today in your life or in this connection. So what has to be done, you will know, and you will be able to fix things, guys. So that is what this card is about. So this card invites us to give space, make space for ourselves, so we'll be able to listen to the right things and we'll be able to fix our circumstance. So let it be something in our career or something in our personal life. So we have to step out of that emotional behavior that we have that detachment in our heart and see our situation from a different perspective. So that way we will get that clarity, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So for those who have chosen this card, so let's see what is the second card. For those who have chosen this card, it is Snow White, purity. So that is what this card is about, guys. It stands for purity, triumph of that pure heart today. And whatever challenges or whatever difficult circumstances you are facing, you will not change. You stand by your ideals, with that truth that you have in your heart, and you are a very trustworthy and loving person, caring. You are devoted to the people you have in your life. It may be friends or this person you love. You are kind, and your innocence, your uncorrupted heart will shine through difficult times you are facing in your life, guys. So even when people around you are trying to harm you in some ways, you you bounce back much more stronger, much more mature, and much more ripened with that light of experience. And you have people with evil intentions towards you, around you, but it has not made the way into your heart. So you do not reciprocate their jealousy, envy, or their bad intentions. So you have that goodness in your heart, and you are a very trustworthy and loyal person, pure heart, guys. So in your life, you may be in some difficult situation right now, but you are going to come out of it shining bright, showing people around you what you are made of, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, this stands for purity and triumph of the pure heart. So you are a person with pure intentions, and there is never going to be a failure in your life, because you are a person who is really truthful to what you have in your heart, and you stand by your values and ideals. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.